What's going on, guys? So today I went to the Grub factory in Baltimore to try the new Just omelette. So we're back. I went to, as you see, I got the Just shirt on. So if you've seen the video I did, the review for the Just egg, it's incredible. So the people over at Grub Factory came up with the Just omelet that we're gonna try out today, see what it's like, see what it's hitting like. It got some nice looking stuff on the inside. I see some mushrooms, some cheese, and some onions. Oh man, this is about to be good. My mouth is watering. So the smell is amazing. Let's just start with that. Let's dig in. Sorry, let's get that on cam. Oh man, my mouth is watering. This is pretty good. This is even better than mine that I tried to do. Oh man, look at that. Can you see that? I need to go back, get another one already. So they said they're gonna start selling this on the menu. I'm not sure when, but lucky for me, I was in the right place at the right time with the right people. This was a long drive home. I wanted to eat this for the last 20 minutes or whatever it takes me to get home. This is so good. I wonder how good it would have been if I would have had like some of the Grub Factory steak up in there or something. Brother. After going vegan, like I just started loving on some mushrooms and onions, so this is like perfect. I think this is also spinach inside, but this tastes just like a regular omelet. Grub Factory, y'all my peoples, man. I love y'all for this. I call it right place at the right time. That's the only thing that I'm curious about now. How would that taste with like some steak in it? A steak, egg, and cheese omelet. So since I made that video with the egg review, I honestly haven't eaten any more yet. Just time wise anyway. Been busy. But this is just as good as what I made. Probably better actually, because it's like an omelet with cheese and stuff. I'm still trying to figure out why people say they can't be vegan anymore. It's too easy now. Like beyond easy. I mean, you got your omelet, you got your cheese, vegan steak, like you got everything you need, like everything. So my kids are starting to fight, so I'm gonna wrap it up. You guys eat grass, not ass. In case y'all ever wonder if I'm faking, I'm not. This is good, and it's also gone. Look at that. Eat grass, not ass. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, Grub Factory, so much, so much.